Hola Year 7, welcome to lesson 11 of the second summer half term. And your title for today, ¿Qué haces cuando hace buen tiempo? What do you do when it's good weather? So today you're talking about different types of weather and the activities you do depending on that weather. And here's a list of equipment you need for today's lesson. You'll need the exercise book that the school gave you, a pen and a ruler, your knowledge organiser for module 6, which can be accessed from class charts, and wordreference.com, which can also be accessed from class charts. So pause to get that ready now. Please remember to email me if you've got any questions about the activities in today's lesson, and here's my email address. Also, please remember to upload a photo or copy of your work onto class charts at the end of the lesson, or at least within 2 days after the lesson, that I can check your work and I can give you a very well-deserved achievement point. Gracias, chicos. Ok, chicos. Copia la fecha, viernes, el 3 de julio. Y el título, ¿Qué haces cuando hace buen tiempo? What do you do when it's good weather? And then copy down your objective, objetivo, to learn how to say which activities you do according to the weather. Pause if you need to do that neatly now and underline those items for me as well. For your do now activity, I would like you to fill in the gaps here with the correct verb to complete the weather expressions. So here are your weather verbs: hay, hace, llueve, and nieva. Okay, and these fit in these blanks here. So pause to do that now. See if you can do it without looking at last lesson's work to start with. And then if you absolutely need to, have a quick look at the end. Okay, gracias chicos. Pause now. Okay, so here are the answers. I'm going to leave you to check them for yourself. So in a minute, you can just pause and check that you've got them right and give them a tick if you have them correct, or correct them if they're not quite right. Then I'm going to pass you on to Miss Clnton, who will teach the rest of the lesson. And I will pop up at the end just to remind you to send a copy of your work in to me and to say gracias, adios. Okay, off we go. Check your answers now and I'll pass you to Miss Clnton. Gracias, chicos.
So as you know, today is when we're saying which free time activities we do according to the weather. So we need to recap some of the free time activities that we learned a few weeks ago now, so this will be good retrieval practice for you. I'd like you to match up the vocabulary below. Please write both the Spanish and the English. Pause your video now to do this. Being very careful, of course, to include all the accents, please. Pause your video now. And now check through your answers, please. And let's remind ourselves how to pronounce these words. So you'll notice in red I've highlighted the foreign sounds. Repeat after me, please. Voy a la piscina o a la playa. So remember, your V always sounds like a B, and here the SC, it needs to sound like a TH, a th sound, piscina, medium. I highlighted here the O at the end for number 2, because often I hear students say escucho rather than escucho. So remember, it's got that short, sharp O sound at the end. So repeat after me. Escucho música. Remembering, whenever you have an accent, that's where the emphasis of the word needs to go. Número 3. Voy de compras al centro comercial. Juego en mi dormitorio. Remember, your J always sounds like an H. Número 5. Hago esquí. Remember, your H is always silent. And remember, you don't ever have that qu sound like we do in English. So it sounds like K-E-Y, i.e. like a key in the door, esquí. Número 6. Hago mis bebés. Juego al fútbol. And remembering here, of course, you've still got that O sound at the end. I don't want to hear any juegos. Likely for 5 and 6, I don't want to hear any agos, ago, juego. And finally, number 8, voy al cine. Muy bien, Year 7. So I'd now like you to practice that vocabulary on Quizlet. So as usual, please follow the link on class charts to learn the vocabulary first before playing some of the games, and then the last few minutes you can test yourself. You'll then need to come back to the lesson after 15 minutes. See you in a bit. So now we're going to put this into sentences, combining our weather phrases as well. But first we need to add a time expression here. Cuando, which means when. So we use cuando, when, plus our weather expression, plus our free time activity. So let's have a look at the first one together. Cuando nieva, hago esquí. When it snows, I go skiing. So obviously you want to make the activity appropriate to the weather. So have a go at numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5 by yourself. Pause your video now to do this. Now you can check your answers. Pause your video now to do this, making any corrections as you go. So on to the last activity. We're now going to do translations, which are a bit harder because we'll do English to Spanish. So still using the same structure of cuando plus a weather expression plus a free time activity. So pause your video now, write both the Spanish and the English please. And you can now check through your answers. So número 1, cuando llueve voy al cine. Número 2, cuando hace calor voy a la piscina o a la playa. Número 3, cuando hay niebla escucho música. Cuando hace buen tiempo juego al fútbol. Número 5, cuando hace mal tiempo voy de compras al centro comercial. Pause your video now if you need to make any corrections.
Well done, Year 7. Great work today. Please remember to upload your work onto class charts so I can give you a very well-deserved achievement point. Remember to do this within 2 days of the lesson, please. Gracias, chicos. Adios.
And if you have any time left for your Our Year 7, please can you learn boxes 4 and 7 from the Knowledge Organiser, your vocabulary sheet. So, from me, it's a big thank you. Muchas gracias. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Really well done. Stay safe, Year 7. Hasta luego.